How to find channels on YouTube TV. Now, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can scan or locate all the channels that you have on your subscription from YouTube TV. So, first things first, if you go ahead and head straight into their official website, you can scroll down and then you should be able to see two specific plans. So, say, for example, you have the YouTube TV or the general subscription from YouTube TV, you can directly click on this option here that says see all channels. And all these specific channels that will be showing on your screen are the channels that is included in your pack. However, if you do on sports TV, that's kind of more like a lot of channels, but more on sports. So for you to be able to see all your channels, first things first is once you've successfully logged in into your YouTube TV account, this is going to be your interface. You should see three options above, which is going to be the library, home, and live. For you to locate all the channels, just choose on live. And as you can see, there are a lot of channels that will be visible here, like Fox TV, ABC, AMC, and so on and so forth. To say you would like to find all available channels from Fox, you just need to tap on Fox or select Fox, and you should be able to see all the episodes or the current live streams that is ongoing with that specific channel. And that's it. That's how you find channels on YouTube TV.